Hello everyone, this is going to be a gold analysis for the 26th of the 3rd 2026. Now the first thing I like to do is I like to assess how far could a move actually go, and what I see with this is that this move might be running out of steam, and I'll explain why. Well, the first thing I do is I look at the first swing in a push sequence. So this first swing started here and ended here, and then it retraced a little up to here. So what do? I grab my fib tool, and this gives me an idea where the price of gold might actually get to. And the two levels I look at are 2.5 and 2.618, and you can see we're almost exactly at that point just now. So I'm going to mark those, and then the next thing I do is I look left. And what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a push candle, and you can see that we've got a very strong push candle just here, and you can see that little black candle just before the push candle, and those candles usually are quite good at supporting the market. So if gold comes down to this level, this is the area where I'd look for a bounce. What I've done here is mark the two levels that I was expecting, or I am expecting a bounce from, and I mark the little black candle just there. So you can see these levels. Now you don't want to short here because the chances are that you're not going to get very much money out of the trade. So these are the levels that I'd be looking to short from today. One is this high here, and what I'd like to see is I'd like to see price test this level, form some sort of reversal candle, and then sell off down to here. Now I'm looking for the turn to come in at about 1600 to 1630. So I'm going to put a line on my chart that looks like that, so I know when to look for a trade. Now I've got a chart here where I've put more analysis on. I've marked these levels, and I've also marked the time point. So if price comes to this high, as long as it doesn't get above this level, which is 4,500, I would still short a bounce into that level. If it starts to go higher than that, above 4,500, then the chances are we might see gold push to the upside. So at the moment my bias is short. It says here on my indicator NY down, so I'm looking for sell trades, but I don't want to sell at the low because the chances are you could get trapped and watch price rally away from you. So the strategy today is to go short at the high of the day, the target just around 4405, 4398 or 4391, and I'm looking for the trade between 1600 chart time and 1630. Well, thanks very much for watching this analysis. I hope it meant something to you. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel, because that really helps me. And if you want me to start a Telegram channel, I'm quite happy to do so, but just make a comment in the comments below and say, yeah, start a Telegram channel. Thanks a lot, and hopefully talk to you soon.